What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo and third brake light bulbs on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take a T20 extension and a ratchet, and I'm going to take these two screws out. Be careful not to drop them. All right, pull those out. Just grab the light and you should be able to peel it away. If you have to, you can use a trim tool and get underneath here. Peel it back, just like that. There's some clips that hold it in. Now to take out the cargo light bulbs, they're on the outer sides. So just twist this socket. You have to use a lot of force to get it out. Just twist it, slide it out. To get the bulb out, grab it and pull it out. This bulb is a 921. Just line the bulb up with the socket, push it in, take the socket, line that up, and lock it in place. To take the third brake light bulb out, I'm just going to move this connector. Just push on this little tab, moves that out of the way, and grab the socket. And it takes a lot of force and just twist it to the left. You could probably use some pliers if you're struggling. Just grab the socket, slide it out. Grab the bulb, pull the bulb right out. Now I'm just going to take a rag. I want to clean up some of this dirt. Just take some kind of a all-purpose cleaner. Just wipe it down. Now I'll slide this back in position. There's a little alignment pin right there, and then right there on this side. Put that right, push that back in, take the screws, get those started. We'll take our T20 extension and a ratchet, tighten these down. Remember, just snug. It is in plastic, so not too tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.